Yay. Hey guys, we are at the sun is glaring, but we're at Family Dollar. I'm on my lunch break. I'm gonna make this really, really quick. I want to run in here. I'm completely out of diapers and I need diapers, so I'm gonna run into Family Dollar and do my diaper deal. I've got 2 deals. I'm still on the fence about if I'm gonna do the other one because it's not nothing that I really need. I would just be doing it to do it, and I don't want to just do it to do it. So I'm just probably gonna do my diaper deal. Um, and that's that. So let's go in and see if my calculations are correct. And I don't have my mic. I left my couponing bag at home. I didn't bring it to work with me. So I hope y'all can hear me when I go in store. If not, I'll just do a voiceover. So let's go. All right. First thing on my list. I don't have a boogie, so I'm twerking with this little apparatus. The first thing on my list is a pack of the Huggies. They are at $8.50, and there's a $1 digital for that. So I'm gonna pick this one up. Thank God they have this size. And then I'm gonna pick up the wipes. $3. Why are those $3? Oh, they're in the, no. What is this? $2. Oh, that says Shay cucumber. Okay, I'm gonna get these. We've gotten these before and they work. And let's see what else is on my list. I'm going to stop down. Look at this shit here. Y'all, when I say these shelves are empty, they don't have anything. Y'all, they don't got nothing in here. They don't have the Airwick. They don't have the Snuggle. They don't have the Tide. They don't got the Game. I don't even think I have the Game digital. If they have the Game, I'll pick up the Game. But I know for a fact they have the Arm & Hammer, which is $3.95 this week. And they have the Purex, which is $2.45. So I'm going to get the Purex. And I'm going to get the Arm & Hammer. And I think if I get the Game, I might be where I need to be, y'all. I'm having to completely do my scenario over again. So let's see what I end up getting. I'm just back in the car. I am back in the car, and we just gonna go over this deal, which is absolutely horrible. But I needed diapers, so I just basically, y'all, threw something together. So, I'm just looking at my receipt, y'all, because this is just absolutely ridiculous. Because my total was $13 when it really didn't have to be. It would have been 11 if they would have had the Airwick, which you saw which you saw that they didn't have. So I had to pick up basically like what they had. They didn't have the Snuggle. They didn't have anything. There was nothing there. And they were stocking shelves when I was there. But I don't know what, they wasn't stocking none of the laundry. And what's today? Tuesday? Those shelves were wiped completely clean. Like, I don't even know when the last time they stocked them shelves because I haven't been here in like a week. So, and they didn't have any bags. So I just had to just bring this to the car. And I'm going to have to put them somewhere because like where I work at is like a really, 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 really heavy homeless population. So like my windows are tinted. Like I get harassed by the police all the time because my windows are so dark. But hopefully like in the parking lot where my job is, it's gated. um the back is gated but not the front. So hopefully, like, I'm not really concerned about somebody like breaking in my car to get this. But I might put it in my trunk because I have some boxes in my trunk that are empty. Anyway, y'all, let's look at this horrible transaction. So sometimes, guys, sometimes in this couponing journey, you're gonna have a scenario all planned out, all great, low out of pocket, and get to the store and the shelves are just completely empty. If you follow any of the content creators around couponing on YouTube, you know that we all have this problem. So it's unavoidable. You cannot avoid this at all. Okay. The more people that are learning the coupon, the more problems this is going to not. It's not a bad problem, but it's just like the more people that are learning the coupon, and these companies aren't hiring people quick enough to keep up. I honestly think that is the thing. So I mean, it's not a issue, but sometimes it affects your out of pocket. But what you have to realize is some savings, as my girl Short Mama says, some savings is better than no savings. So I could have paid. I paid 17. My total was $27 after tax. I paid $13 before tax. So I cut my cost in half. So if I save, that's all the point, because you know the wipes and Pampers alone are $10. So I needed wipes, but I ended up getting, and this is all stuff I know my dad. This is all stuff that who don't need toothpaste. I know people that use OxyClean. I mean, not OxyClean, Arm & Hammer. I know somebody use the Purex, or I could sell it. So I mean, it's all good. Okay, so I'm not gonna dwell on that. Let's look at my receipt. I'm already getting messages and stuff about work, and I'm on my lunch. Anyway. This is the all. Rang up for $5. The digital came off. The crest was $3. The $2. The crest was $3 right here, and the $2 digital came off for that. The Huggies was on $8.50. You saw that. I had a $1 digital. The Huggies wipes was $2. I had a 50-cent digital. The OxyClean was $3.95 this week. There's a $2 digital. The Purex is $2.45 this week. There is a 50-cent digital, and that brought my total to $24.80. So I picked up $1 candy to get my total to $25. So my total was like $27 after taxes. So after all of my coupons, my total came out to be $13.85. $15 after tax. So it is what it is. I saved $12, and I walked away with diapers that I needed. So that is it on my not Walgreens, Lord. That is it for my Family Dollar improvising on the fly, make it work transaction. Thank you guys so much for watching my haul. You guys have a good day. Bye.